Say hi.
No.
Hi, besties. I got some packages delivered, some skincare products that I bought delivered to me for some time now. I haven't had time to unbox them. So, unbox with us. Unbox the skincare products with us. Let's see what we have inside here. So, the first one is this. Let's open it. Can you guess what it is? Of course, not guess because it will tata. You are a small boy. This is wrapped very nicely in a bubble wrap. Oh, yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to open it. I'm being careful because of you.
Open.
Are you going to help mommy? Yeah. Longer time to open because of this bubble wrap. And I think we are finally here. This is the first product. This is the Amlactin Daily Nourish Cream body lotion. I bought this because of this what they call it, strawberry hand or chicken skin or whatever. This is a night cream. From the reviews I saw, they said it can be really moisturizing, so it can make you feel really hot. So it's best to apply at night when you are about to sleep, so that it will work over time, before you sleep and wake up, so you don't have to sweat when you apply it during daytime throughout the day. So I'm going to be trying this out to see how it works, and hopefully it helps with this. I have this on my hand here and on my knees, which is very annoying. Like, it gives me a different skin tone here and on my knees. Let's see if this cream is going to help with that, or lotion. So we have the second box to open. So let's see what's inside. Life, are you ready? Yeah. I'm sure it's not going to be a hassle opening.
Yeah.
Good boy. You are helping mommy. You're so helpful. Okay, so this one is from Cost ROS. 3 items, but one is buy one and get one kind of the half price. So I decided to buy, 2 of it. So this one is a AHA. Alive, wait, now you have this one. This is the AHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. So this is a toner. So since I have all these spots on my face, see all the dark spots, so I felt like, okay, this might help because it's an AHA and BHA, clarifying treatment. So I feel it's going to help with all the dark spots. From the description I saw before I bought it, they said it's going to help kind of even out your skin tone. So I'm hoping that it's going to help, because see this face, see, it was on sale for buy one get one half price, and I decided to get 2 because this is something I use every other day, and I'm a lover of course ROX products because they are just good. They are calm and they do the work. So let me open it up and see. So this is what it looks like. I've tried a lot of their toners. I'm excited to try this one out. And the next product is the Advanced Snail Mucin. You guys already know this one, the Snail Mucin. Everybody knows or uses the Snail Mucin. So let's open it up. No. Make sure you're not touching the knife. So this is the Snail Mucin. I just ran out of the one I had before. Sure, everyone knows the Snail Mucin. This one is for plumping of face, hydration, and all that. But this is Snail Mucin. Why do I keep calling it Mucin? Snail, Advanced Snail Mucin. The Snail Mucin. I'm still calling it Mucin. Alive. Correct mommy, help mommy. This is annoying. Wait. Take this one. So this is the Snail Mucin, and this is the cream. This is a face cream, all in one face cream. As you can see, I've been using Cos RS, face creams, a lot of their face creams, different types, but I've not used this one. I was like, okay, since I got the Snail Mucin, to be better to also get the face cream of it and try it out to see how it goes. So this is it. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to try this out with the serum, the essence. Can't wait. So both of them are the same thing, the essence and the facial cream. So I'll be using this for my facial cream. No touching of knife. No, boy. No, no. Say no. Good boy. Moving on, we have this one. Ta-da! This one is the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. This is the Shine and Jam gel for when you want to make your hair plaiting or braiding, all backs, parting your hair. Basically, when you want to make your hair. So this is the Shine and Jam. I've been planning to. I don't know what to do with my hair. I don't want to cut it as yet because I just feel like I want to also braid sometimes. So I used to braid my hair by myself, you know. So I feel like I just want something different. Or let me just say I bought it in case I decide to braid my hair sometime. So yeah, I'm not so sure. I might decide to cut this hair tomorrow. I might decide to braid it. So whichever way, I just want to know that I have this if at all I'm gonna braid. So this is what it looks like. So it's a conditioning gel for the hair, and I got the extra hold one. Alive, you have been so helpful. Yeah, I can see that. You have been really helpful. Moving on, this is the last package. Alive, you're disturbing mommy. You are disturbing me. So let's open this one up and see what's in there. This has been delivered to me for quite a while now, but I haven't really had the time to check. And I also want to unbox it with you guys. So yeah. Oh no, I think so. This one is also wrapped very well. I mean, look at all the bubble wrap. Look at all the bubble wraps. Bubble, wait. Wait now, bubble, wait. Okay, this one is the the packaging of this cream feels weird to me. It's as if they wanted to make it, you know, cream container shape, and they just at the last minute decided to make it a lotion because, oh, I think it's still a cream because it's written cream. But what? The packaging looks weird. So this is the Advanced Clinical Retinol Cream, and this is what it looks like. Look, what is it? What is it? Show them the cream. Show. See the camera there. Show them. Okay, lovely. Yeah, thank you. This, according to them, it targets. Okay, it's okay. So this targets early signs of aging, dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. So I think I bought this one mainly for uneven skin tone. Just like I said, you know, some part of my skin is showing a different, you know, color. Stop! Oh, you're bothering mommy. A different color, like here and my knees. So they tend to be a bit darker. I feel I found a cream that is going to help with that. So they said it evens out skin tone, and hopefully it does that. And this is also a night cream. This is not recommended to be applied during the day. If you should do that, you will need lots of sunscreen for it. The same with the Amlactin one. I will try this out and come back maybe in 2 weeks or a month to give a review of how it is going. So hopefully it works. That is it. So this is all I got. These are all the products that I got. Are you leaving? These are all the products that I got. I'm lacting. The Shine and Gel. This one. These are all. So besties, these are all the products that I got, and I can't wait to try them out to see how they work on me. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share and like this video. Don't forget to follow my page, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. See you on my next one.